Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CTRM. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another pullback on this one today, and I don't say that in a bad way, just in a way of no price can go straight up. But it has now revealed what I would consider a very important level from the resistance side of things going into next week. And that's just going to be this resistance trend line right here, which is doing a good job of representing the fact that there has been selling pressure that has shown up. Now, I get it, me just saying, hey, selling pressure has shown up. Those are just words. I fully realize that. But that's why I like charts, is because they allow you to take words and phrases and then make them much more visual. So when I say selling pressure has shown up, that's what I mean by that via that downtrending trend line right there. So until the price can at least break up above that trend line, I'd be a little skeptical of any sort of upwards price movements. Now, if the price gets up to that area and blast up through it, well, at that point, it becomes much more rational to say, hey, it looks like the selling pressure has been overcome and that the bulls are going to get back in control there. I mean, that's not guaranteed to happen, but from a rationality standpoint, that would be a more than reasonable thought to have. So resistance-wise, definitely going to want to watch that. The selling pressure indicator right there, we'll call it, which is that trend line right there. As far as levels of support to watch moving into next week, current level that the price did a good job of holding up above is right there at 32 cents. If 32 can't quite hold up, the next key overarching level of support you'd want to turn your attention to is down there around the 28 cent mark. 28 cents, if the price goes down there and then breaks below that, I mean, I'm not going to say that the chart's destroyed at that point, but at that point, I would say that something's not quite right. Something might be a little off if the price all of a sudden is starting to break down through 28 cents. But as of right now, the price isn't anywhere close to doing that. I'm just saying that's much more of an important level of support than what I would consider that 32 cent mark. But overall, great week. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this trend next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.